Hello friends, today we got this ingersoll and chiller. We need to connect this to this ingersoll EP50. So this is the input for the air and this will go to the tank, right? So now I'm going to open the old one line that is going direct to the tank, and I'm gonna make it up and then fade connect to here. We're gonna put one union here. So let's get started. As you see, I have opened these fittings and make that straight and this one coming straight. This one is coming direct to here, the back of the chiller, and this one is going to the air tank. So I need a 42-inch piece. I already marked here. Now I'm going to cut it with this one. Now we will put the thread on each side. So you can see I already put these threads on the piece. I already put. So I'm gonna use this Teflon tape and then we're gonna put this union one side over here because the other side is already attached to the chiller. So you can see this already fixed with a union, and for this one I'm going to put a nipple 6 inch and then a union and then a wall, and then we're gonna see how much length we need from here to there. So this is done. All I need is a 27.5-inch pipe piece. I have fixed this pipe with this one. Now going to connect to the union, and I tried this union and opened this valve to check any leakage, and there's no leakage anywhere. So our job for fixing the chiller is done. Now it's our electrician is gonna come and do the connection. If you like the video, please share and subscribe. Thank you.